Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you find this video helpful. If you need some help, please feel free to call us at 463-888-9054.
Hi, this is Matt with Learn About Law, and today we're going to cover the topic of alimony in Indiana divorces. Indiana does not actually have a specific statute or statutes that address alimony, or, as Indiana refers to it, spousal maintenance. The courts do have discretion to award spousal maintenance in certain situations, like if one spouse lacks the necessary education to provide for themselves post-divorce, or if the spouse is a full-time caregiver to the divorcing party's disabled child. The courts will award maintenance. A lot of people are curious how much spousal support they will be ordered to pay and when they have to stop paying the support. Again, since there is no statute determining these things, it is left to the court's discretion based in individual situations. The certain thing is that if someone is awarded temporary spousal support, it will end when the divorce is final. All the others could end at any time. If spousal support is an issue in your divorce, your best choice of action is to hire an experienced attorney to assist you. Thanks for watching. To learn more, check out the article linked below. Be sure to leave any questions you have in the comments section, and subscribe for more legal news daily.
Hello again, this is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you enjoyed the video and podcast. If you did, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to our channel. If you need legal help in this or any other area of law, please do not hesitate to reach out to schedule a consultation. Please email us, book online, or call us at 463-888-9054. We have many locations for your convenience, and we serve all of Indiana. Thanks again for watching.